Hi dears, today I am going to tell you about reishi mushrooms by DXN. Reishi mushrooms are among several medicinal mushrooms that have been used for hundreds of years, mainly in Asian countries, for treatment of infections. Mushrooms and medicinal mushrooms are really having a renaissance at the moment. This is in line with the adaptogenic herbs because these mushrooms also have adapted 8 properties and what I'm talking to you about is reishi mushroom. It's also known as the mushroom of immortality, so that might give you a hint that this mushroom is used to help support and boost immune function. Now this is important because a healthy immune function means the body's other systems can get on with their other jobs and you can also have more energy, more vitality throughout the day. Now as it works as an adaptogen, what you can also expect is some nervous system support. So I like reishi to help with immune function and also to support the nervous system. So what we have done at Fauci is that we have taken organic fresh ground reishi mushroom and we then encapsulate. Thanks for watching a very informative video. If you want to try this DXN product in a discount price, you can use this promo code 2800905330 to get this product.